Welcome to today's video. We hit 5,000 subscribers. Thank you to every one of you. We are going to be giving away the speeds from my intercooler, and I'm gonna be showing off a new car. So here in the next video or two, I'll be showing off the new car and giving it away. So make sure you guys stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, drop a sub right now. And tons and tons of great content to come this year. This Corona stuff's crazy and it's messing everything up a little bit, but we're gonna still keep trying to make content. And yeah, so anyway, today I was gonna work on the speed. I still am gonna work on the speed, but it's not driving. I don't know what happened. That engine bar fuse keeps blowing every time I put a new one in. So if anyone can give me some information on that. The passenger side motor mount ground, I redid it all, I sanded everything down and made sure it was good, so that's good, because I thought that might have been the issue, but I guess it wasn't. So yeah, if you guys want to help me out with that, please let me know down in the comments. Anyway, today we're going to be installing a splitter for the Speed. I've had this thing for a while, and let me just show you what it looks like. So here it is a Aero Flow Dynamics or something, I don't know, some brand like that. I can put the link in the description. It's powder coated black, and this is made of metal, so like, if I hit a squirrel or something with this thing, it's not gonna end well for the squirrel. But this thing should be pretty solid. This is the hardware included to mount it, so it should be pretty easy. I need to bring a drill with me so I can drill some holes. I also got their side skirts, but I don't think I'm gonna get to these today because I have to self-tapper them, and I do not have a jack in my house. Maybe we can go buy one, just so I can have one there and here. So that is what we're installing today. Sadly, the Speed's not working like I said, so we can't really go drive with it, but like, it's not like I'm gonna notice a difference having this on the front of the car. So, Sam's coming over, we're gonna go get some lunch. Probably go to Harbor Freight, honestly, and buy a jack so I can have it in my house. And then we'll get to working on the Speed. But thank you guys for 5,000. I'm so stoked, so stoked. It means so much. I might cry. Don't touch your face, Corona. We're in Sam's car, we're going to Freddy's. We're gonna go get some food. We can't eat inside. Whoa, 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 chill out, man. Don't wanna kill anyone here. Anyway, we're going to get some food. We have to go through the drive-thru because you can't eat inside now, which sucks. So, sorry, we're gonna be in your car soon. Oh, shit. Okay, he doesn't care. So we just got some Freddy's. We got to eat in the car because this whole Corona deal. I got hooked up with my own little, bottle of jalapeno Freddy sauce. If you guys haven't gone to Freddy's, definitely cop this. It's fire. And I'm about to use this whole bottle on this little meal. You know bet? I'm gonna drink it. That was disgusting. I'm not drinking it. We're at Harbor Freight. We're going to get a jack. So I have one at the house, and I think I'm gonna get an aluminum one this time. That's why I wanted the aluminum one. Okay, we got a sick new jack. We're gonna open it up when we get back to my house and start installing this front splitter. This car's so fast! Man, we're gonna be installing this splitter in no time at this rate. This thing rips. Just got back to the house. We got the jack and the splitter. We're gonna bust open this new jack, check it out, set it up. I had to go with the orange, matched to 240, so when I'm at the track, I got an orange car with an orange jack. But yeah, we're gonna take the front bumper off as well so we can bolt this thing up because I think that's gonna be the easiest way to do it.
There we go.
Ooh, wow, there's two handles.
Assembly required.
Yeah, well, it better not be very much. Dang it. That doesn't match my car. So this thing's pretty light.
Pretty light. Lift with your back.
Wow, they even put lube in here. Holy, that's a lot of lube. Where are you going?
Oh shit.
Could have been bad. Alright, let's test it out. Oh, this is so much better than my other one.
Yeah, what's wrong with it now?
I don't know. That's what I asked them in the beginning of this video. This fuse right here keeps blowing every time I start the car. In fact, we'll try it right now. It just blew.
It did. I watched it.
Did you see it?
I could. I don't know if you could see it in the video though.
I ordered 115 amp fuses off Amazon, so I'm gonna go until it works. This thing's on a quick release.
All your cars are on quick releases. It's called zip ties.
Drift car.
Bumpers off, basically.
You bolts left.
Here's the question. Do we wrap the jack?
Absolutely. 100%. We'll make it match the... There she is. Let's go put it in the sun. Ooh, that's gonna look pretty spicy.
No bumper on this thing, question mark?
All 8s.
What do you think, no bumper?
I'm gonna take off this factory little tiny lip. Hopefully I can keep this piece still. I don't think I'll be able to because it's all cracked and stuff, but I'm gonna try to if I can, but otherwise we're just gonna get rid of this lip. That way it can, you know, sit flush on there and we can start smoking some holes. It's a sad day. Sorry, this thing was destroyed. I cut it for that front mount intercooler, so it's kind of trashed. But now we should be able to get that on there. It should sit like perfectly flush. Hopefully it doesn't look too weird with this gap right here. I don't know, we'll see. So I got the splitter on the driveway here, just gonna set it down. Sam's grabbing the bumper, he's gonna set it down on here, and then we're gonna try and get it even all the way around and figure out how far I want to stick forward. Once we figure that out, we will start like drilling holes through here and then using the hardware they gave us to mount it all up. But as you guys can tell, it's gonna look pretty gnarly. I got all these holes drilled in the splitter, got them all drilled in the bumper. I'm just doing 3 on each side. Should be plenty because they have these rubber grommets and then these washers. So I don't think this is coming off. No support in the middle. I might have to figure something out for that. Hopefully it doesn't droop or anything, but I don't know. It should be pretty solid. If not, we'll always add to it. But for now, we're gonna throw all these bolts in and see how it looks. Okay, so we got the splitter all bolted on here. It looks insane, but we used the long bolts on accident, and this is our plan. So there's support in the middle. We're gonna take this stock piece right here. We're gonna cut it here and here, and then bolt these in, and then we'll throw a bolt through here with a little grommet, bolt through here with a little grommet, and bam, we'll have support in the middle. I mean, the side is already super strong, and everything's pretty dang even. So I'm gonna bust out the little Milwaukee Sawzall, chop, chop, and then we'll go boom, boom, bang, bang, and be done. Another great tool I bought. This thing actually looks kind of dope without a front bumper. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I wonder if that's gonna look weird. Yeah, whatever.
Your car looks weird anyways.
What? Take it back. I can't believe you just said that. We're gonna ban him from the channel. Now the plan is gonna throw these 2 pop-in deals right here. I don't know what they're called. And then, yeah, I'll just show you guys when we're done. All right, so we got this all bolted in right here. It looks okay. One thing I kind of wish I did is maybe bring it all the way out, but whatever. I can always get another one of those pieces. It was broken anyway, so. But yeah, it looks pretty fire. Doesn't look too bad with that piece right there, so let's get this thing on the car and see what it looks like. I'll do the honors of putting her on. Ooh, I haven't really looked yet. I don't want to look yet. Sam, does it look good?
It looks pretty good.
Oh, that looks sick.
And it hides that better. Dude, now that it's on. Now that it's on.
Dang. Pretty even too. Oh, that's fire, dude. Stand on it.
How much you stand on that? All your weight's on your hands, bud.
No, it's not. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have to clean it. Bumper is 100% on. I'm gonna back this thing down the driveway so we can kind of see what it looks like. But gosh, it makes the front look so much more aggressive. It doesn't even really do it justice on camera. I swear, if this is a 10 mil, oh my God, it's a 10 mil. You guys didn't see in the last video, I ordered 10 of these from China because I'm always losing them. That's so funny. That's how I lose them too. Oh, that looks so sick. So sick. Let me know down in the comments right now what you guys think of this, because I think it looks freaking fire. Now looking at this from the side though, I'm gonna have to change that up. But straight on, It's so much more aggressive. You gotta hide the cob with all this Corona going on, you know? Someone might come steal this thing. At least it's been locked. This is the money shot. It looks freaking sick. Here in a few videos, maybe next one, I don't know, we're gonna be installing the side skirts just to really like kind of complete the look. And then I need to get a diffuser, so if anyone wants to recommend a diffuser I should buy, please let me know. It's gotta be black, it's gotta fit the theme we're going with here. Oh, looks like Squirt was squirting it up. Little squirter. That's why I named this car Squirt. Cause it squirts a ton. Holy What's that look like? It's fucking ridiculous. Dude, this jack is insane. Oh. What do you think, bud? Dude, I could flip a car with this thing. That's not even close to all the way up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. We got the front splitter on. Next, we'll do the side skirts after I figure out what's wrong with this car. And make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video because it should be the new car and how to enter for my intercooler. So thanks for watching this video. Sam, you wanna say peace out?
Peace out, man.
Yep. Follow me on Instagram, MAZDASPEED SPliTTER. Peace. If I stood on this, this thing would actually fall off.